A very good morning to all of the students. Myself Neha Kalra from DIPS UE1. Again, we'll be continuing with the same topic, A Letter to Son by Mahatma Gandhi. If you practice the three virtues, if they become part of your life, so far as I'm concerned, you will have completed your education, your training. Armed with them, believe me, you will earn your bread in any part of the world, and you have paved the way to acquire true knowledge of the soul, yourself, and God. This does not mean that you should not receive instructions in letters, that you should and you are doing. But it is a thing over which you need not fret yourself. You have plenty of time for, and after all, you are to receive such instruction in order that your training may be of use to others. In this paragraph, Mahatma Gandhi says that if you practice the three virtues, then your life will be sorted out. Your education is done. Your completing training is done. If you follow these virtues in your life, he says you can earn money, that is bread. Here it is written bread, that means actually money in any part of the world, and you have acquired, gained the true knowledge of the soul, yourself, and God. Further, he says that does not mean that you do not require instructions in letters from me or from anyone else. He means to say that if you follow these three virtues, you should not worry. You are able to compete with this word, you are able to earn bread in this word, you are able to guide others in this word. You have plenty of time, and after all, you are to receive such instruction in order that your training must be useful to others. That if you follow these virtues, your training must be useful to others as well. Remember, please, that henceforth our lot is poverty. The more I think of it, the more I feel that it is more blessed to be poor than to be rich. The uses of poverty are far sweeter than those of riches. He further says that do take this in mind that the most of the population in India is below poverty line, and do think of them. He feels that it is more blessed to be rich than to he feels more blessed to be poor than to be rich. He further says the uses of poverty are far sweeter than those of riches. This is all for today. Please have a good day. Thank you.